Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring an exciting and rapidly advancing field, the role of artificial intelligence in developing smart robots. From manufacturing to healthcare, smart robots are transforming industries and our daily lives. Stay tuned to discover how AI is at the heart of these innovations. Let's begin by understanding what we mean by smart robots and artificial intelligence. Smart robots are robots equipped with advanced AI technologies, enabling them to perform tasks autonomously, learn from their environment, and adapt to new situations. These robots are capable of perceiving their surroundings, making decisions, and taking actions without human intervention. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. AI encompasses a range of technologies, including machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing (NLP), which allow robots to process information, recognize patterns, and learn from experience. The first critical component of smart robots is perception and sensing. AI enables robots to process data from various sensors, such as cameras, LiDAR, and ultrasonic sensors, to understand their environment. This sensory information is crucial for tasks like object recognition, navigation, and interaction with humans and other objects. AI algorithms allow smart robots to make informed decisions based on their perception of the environment. Decision-making involves evaluating different options and selecting the best course of action. Planning algorithms help robots determine the sequence of actions needed to achieve a specific goal, such as navigating through a complex environment or assembling a product. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to enable robots to learn and adapt. Through machine learning techniques, robots can improve their performance over time by learning from data and experiences. This capability is essential for tasks that require flexibility and adaptability, such as interacting with humans or operating in dynamic environments. In the manufacturing sector, smart robots are revolutionizing automation. AI-powered robots can perform repetitive tasks with high precision and speed, such as assembly, welding, and quality control. They can also work alongside humans in collaborative settings, enhancing productivity and safety. In healthcare, smart robots are transforming patient care and medical procedures. AI-enabled surgical robots assist surgeons with precision and minimally invasive procedures. Robotic assistants help with tasks like medication delivery, patient monitoring, and rehabilitation. AI also powers diagnostic robots that analyze medical data to provide accurate diagnoses and treatment recommendations. In the service and hospitality industry, smart robots are enhancing customer experiences. AI-powered robots can perform tasks like room service delivery, concierge services, and cleaning. They can interact with guests using natural language processing, providing information and assistance in a friendly and efficient manner. Smart robots are streamlining logistics and supply chain operations. AI-driven robots can autonomously navigate warehouses, picking and packing items with speed and accuracy. They optimize inventory management, reduce operational costs, and improve overall efficiency in distribution centers.